We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp, but you're running into problems with your voice messages. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. I find voice messaging an extremely convenient way of communicating because if you've got a lot to go and say, you can just go and put it into a voice message instead of having to go and type it all out. So make sure this full guide, we've got some different fixes you can try, and we're going to be doing this on an iPhone. You can follow along on an Android. The settings may be located slightly differently, but they will still go and be on the device. So let's go and dive straight into this. So for the first thing you want to try doing is you want to come out of WhatsApp like so. You then need to go and find the settings app on your device. Here we are. What you need to do is go and scroll down, and we need to go and find our device permissions. So go and scroll down, and we want to go and find privacy and security. Then in here, you need to go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for microphone and make sure that WhatsApp has got access. If it hasn't got access here, then of course it can't go and work because voice messages are recorded using your mic. So what you want to do is make sure you go and switch this on here, like so. Then what you can do is go and return to WhatsApp and go and see if the feature is now working and if that goes and resolves your problem. Hopefully it has. If you find it still hasn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is coming out of here, and you want to come to your settings again, come back and scroll to the top. Now what you want to do is you want to try turning off Bluetooth. What can sometimes happen is your device is connected to a Bluetooth device and it's trying to go and use the microphone on it. Maybe you're far away from it or it's not working correctly. And so it makes you think that voice messages are not working, but it's because you're trying to use a Bluetooth device. So what you can do is try turning it off here in case you're connected, and then you can come and return to WhatsApp and go and see if it's now solved. Hopefully it is. And if you find that it still isn't working, then it can sometimes be a glitch with the WhatsApp app. So what we can try doing is going and restarting it. So what you can do is go and swipe up on it like so, and then fully close it. On an Android, there's going to be buttons in the bottom right or left you can press and then swipe up on it. And then what you can do is go and return to it. There we go, and find it. And then what we can do is we can go and see if the problem is now resolved. Hopefully it is. Now, if you're finding you're still running into problems and it's not working, then it's worth doing a device restart because this will go and refresh things. Don't worry, you don't lose any data when restarting your device. So what you can do is on an Android, you can usually go and tap and hold the side button. Sometimes you hold the volume down button together like so. You go and see the power off menu and you can press restart and restart again. On an iPhone, you press the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. You'll go and see the start to power off screen, but keep it held down, it'll go black, and you can release it when you go and see the Apple icon. It'll then restart, and hopefully then voice messages will be working and the problem's solved.